हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम सीखेंगे डिवीजन मेथड फ्रॉम पॉलिनोमियल चैप्टर क्लास 9. नाउ वी हैव अ क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू रीअरेंज दिस एक्सप्रेशन इन अ स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म, विच मीन्स आपको लीडिंग टर्म लाइक हाईएस्ट पावर जितनी भी है हमारे पास, जो हाईएस्ट डिग्री है दैट शुड बी पुट ऑन फर्स्ट एंड उसके बाद उससे कम एंड सो ऑन. सो दैट मीन वी हैव टू रीअरेंज these numbers as like x square minus 11x plus 10. Now we can divide this by the given polynomial linear x minus 1. Here this is a quadratic polynomial and here it is a linear polynomial. Now we need to divide this, so sometimes it doesn't click that from which number we need to multiply so that we get obtain x square. So now we will take the first leading term x square and divide it by first term of the linear expression, linear polynomial, that is x, which becomes x. So here we came to know that the first variable we need to multiply in quotient is x multiplied by x becomes x square, and x multiplied by minus time of x becomes minus time of x. Now sign changed, so here it is minus and here the sign is negative, so we will change it in positive. We have to reverse the signs. It becomes 0 time of x square and it becomes minus time of 11x, and we will neglect this middle sign. That means we will take minus time of 11x plus time of x, that becomes minus time of 10x plus 10. Now look, we came to know that we need to multiply by 10, but here we need a negative sign, so we will take minus of 10. Minus of 10 is multiplied by x, we get minus 10x. Minus 10 multiplied by minus 1, it becomes even number of times, so it becomes positive of 10. So here we have to change the sign. Here we have negative, so we will change sign in positive. Here we have the sign positive, then we will change in negative. This becomes 0. So this is our remainder. And our quotient is x minus 10. Also we can verify from our division algorithm. What is our division algorithm now? That is, a dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Now we know the dividend is x square minus 11x plus 10 is equals to, now divisor we have x minus 1 and quotient we have is x minus 10. Now remainder we got is 0. That is, now we will multiply this. X will be multiplied with this entire term, it becomes x square minus x, and minus 10 is multiplied by this entire term, it becomes minus 10x plus 10, and 0, there is no change in the equation, so we will get x square minus 11x plus 10. So this shows us that the division we have did is correct. If the left hand side doesn't become equals to right hand side, then we have did some calculation mistake. Either it can be some calculation mistake or some variable putting. Okay, now next question is, this is our quadratic. We divide a quadratic by linear polynomial. Next question we have a cubic. That is x cube plus 11x minus 6 minus 6x square. So first of all we have to rearrange in standard form. According to standard form, the first term will be x cube and then minus 6x square, then plus 11x and then minus 6. We have to divide this expression by x minus 1. That means x minus 1 we need to divide it by x cube plus 11x minus x minus 1 will divide x cube minus 6x cube plus 11x minus 6. Now here we will divide. Now to know about the first term, we need to see x cube divided by the first term of the divisor, x, we will get x square. We will get x square. That means we need to multiply by x square so that we get the x cube. X square multiplied by x becomes x cube. As the base are same, for example like this, x multiplied by x square, base are same, in multiplication then powers get add, it becomes x cube. Now here it is x cube. Now we need to multiply this x square by this minus 1, it becomes minus time of x square. Again sign changed. Here we have the positive sign, like we don't have any sign, so we take it as positive, so the sign changes in negative and the negative sign changes into positive. Here it becomes 0 time of x cube, and here we have to neglect the middle sign, so it becomes minus time of 6x square plus time of x square, which is minus 5x square plus 11x minus 6. As we will not disturb these terms, as we didn't let any number written in there under these numbers, so we didn't do anything with these numbers, with these terms. We will write it as it is. So now next term is, now see, now first term is minus 5x square. I need to make this term, so that from that I need to check which term I required. 5x square is divided by x, it becomes x minus 5x. So the next term is minus 5x. Minus 5x is multiplied by x, it becomes minus 5x square. Minus 5x multiplied by minus 1 becomes plus of 5 times of x. Now sign changes. Here it becomes 0. And here 11 times of x and negative time of 5x becomes 6 times of x minus 6. Here it is clearly visible that we need to multiply by plus 6. Now when plus 6 is multiplied by x minus 1, it becomes plus time of 6x minus time of 6, and the remainder is 0. You can also verify this question as we did earlier in our previous question. You will get the same answer. Here I hope the questions are very clear to you. If not, let me know in the comment section. We will do some further other questions also. Let us take some another questions. For example, we have the question 3z plus 10 divided 9z cube minus 27z square minus 100 times of z plus 300. Okay, now see, the first term we have in the linear equation.